Hello my friends, welcome back to my video. My name is Seonghee, just in case you haven't met me yet. Today we have a gentle beginner yoga practice, so do not worry, I've got you. Find the most comfortable seated position with your legs crossed in front of your body. And if you feel any discomfort in your hips, feel free to place a folded blanket underneath your sitting bones. Once you get that set up, find your spine nice and tall and shoulders relaxed away from your ears. And take a deep breath in, sweeping the arms out and all the way up towards the sky. And as you exhale, bring your hands at your heart center into prayer. Take another deep breath in through your nose and reach your arms all the way up overhead. Exhale, hands at your heart center. One more big breath in, arms all the way up. And now as you exhale, place your right fingertips all the way down to the earth beside you. Take a deep breath into your left fingertips. As you exhale, lean over to your right side and your mount. Feeling your left side stretch. And inhale, come on up back through center. Left fingertips all the way down to the earth. And then inhale, right arm all the way up towards the sky. As you exhale, lean your torso over to your left and your mount. Feel your right side body stretch. And inhale, come back to center. Exhale, right hand comes down to the earth. And then place your left hand onto your right thigh. Right fingertips come behind your back. Take a deep breath in. Lengthen the head towards the sky. As you exhale, twist your body over to your right and your mount. And then we're going to stay here for a couple of more breaths. If you feel a little hard to breathe, slightly decrease the angle of your torso. Big breath in. And long, sweet exhale out. Empty everything out. Nice. And then slowly come back to center, facing forward. And right hand onto your left knee, left hand behind your back. Take a deep breath in, lengthen the spine. And as you exhale, twist, starting from your core, chest, and your head. And stay here for a couple of more breaths with love and patience. Inhale. And then exhale. Big breath in once more. And then big breath out. Nice. And come back to center facing forward. And now we're gonna meet in child's pose. Come on onto your hands and knees first. Your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. And open your knees wide apart. Bring big toes come to touch. And then sit back onto your heels as you extend your arms out in front of your body. And bring your forehead on your mat. And if you feel any discomfort in your hips, you can draw your legs together. And also, if you have any neck discomfort, bring your hands into fist position and stack them and bring your forehead on those stacked hands. Feel free to find the best option, listening to your own body. You don't need anybody's permission to choose what's right for you. And stay in this child's pose for a couple of more breaths. Start softening your hips down to the earth. And soften the belly. And soften your heart. And soften your face. And soften your arms. Nice. And then slowly bring your body all the way back up to hands and knees. Hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips with hip distance apart. And spread your fingers nice and wide. Take a big breath in as you melting your belly down, tilting your sitting bones up and back. And now as you exhale, start tucking your tailbone down, pull your core in around through your spine, chin to chest. Big breath in, drop the belly, arch your lumbar, look forward and up. And then as you exhale, squeeze your butt towards the backs of your knees, round through your spine, chin to chest. So we're gonna do these cats and cows several times. So find your own rhythm and your own pace. Let your breath guide these movements. Nice. Big breath in to your cow. And then big breath out to your favorite cat. Maybe gentle smile on your face. Okay, and now come back to neutral tabletop pose. And now we're gonna tuck our toes under. And we're gonna go into our downward facing dog. So open your fingers nice and wide one more time. Press into those palms and fingertips. Take a deep breath in. And then as you exhale, start lifting your hips up and back to our first down dog. And feel free to bend your knees and your mount if you feel any tension in your hamstrings. And then breathe in this beautiful down dog. Inhale. And then exhale out. Maybe if you can, bring those heels closer to the earth. And keep on breathing, nice and easy through your nose. Relax your neck and head between your upper arms and micro bend in the elbows. Inhale and then exhale out. Nice. And now bend your knees deeply and then slowly walk to the front of your mat. And then fold over your legs. Bend your knees and bring your torso onto your thighs and grab the opposite elbows with your hands. And then start rocking your body from side to side several times. Allow your upper body to hang heavy to the earth. And then come back to center. Beautiful. And then slowly bring your hands onto your hips. And then start pressing your feet to the earth and feel the power from the earth to you to rise back up slowly. And your head is last part to come up. As you exhale, relax your shoulders and relax your gaze. Great job. Okay, and now step your left foot back to the back of your mat and turn your left toes out about like 45 degrees angle, right knee bent. And make sure you can still see your right cute toenails and hands at your heart center. Pull your left hip forward and right hip back so your hips are facing forward. And take a deep breath in. Circle the arms out and all the way up towards the sky. And as you exhale, relax your shoulders down. And you're gonna stay here in this warrior one for several breaths. Keep pressing feet to the earth. And make sure that if you have any high blood pressure, feel free to bring your hands at your heart center into prayer. Breathe in. And then as you exhale, relax your shoulders even more this time. Nice. And bring your hands at your heart center into prayer and step your left foot forward. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And step your right foot back. Turn your right toes out at about 45 degrees angle. Bend your left knee. Right hip forward, left hip back. And then your back leg is straight. Hands at your heart center or reach your arms all the way up towards the sky. And then relax your shoulders. And you're gonna stay here for several breaths. Keep pressing your feet to the earth like evenly. And then especially the outer edge of your right foot super grounded to the earth. And feel that power within you, but find grace in your heart. Inhale. And then exhale out. Nice. Bring your hands at your heart center into prayer and step your right foot forward. Nice job. Okay, now we're gonna face the longer side of your mat. Bring your feet with hip distance apart. Bring your hands at your heart center into prayer. And we're gonna go into our tree pose. Option 1, bring your right foot to your left inner ankle with your right toes connected to the earth. Option 2, foot to your calf. Option 3, bring your right heel up high into your left inner thigh. Find your own option. And then stay grounded with your left foot. Your hips are still facing forward. And then your hands at your heart center. And then find one point in front of you and then make a steady gaze with it. Or you can bring your arms all the way up above your head and relax your shoulders. Tuck your tailbone down and pull your core in and keep pressing down through your left big toe and mount to the earth. And relax your face and your heart. Nice. And bring your hands back at your heart center and release your right foot all the way down to the earth. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Find your own option with your left foot, either to the ankle or shin or all the way up there. But do not place the foot to your knee area. Your hips are facing forward, hands at your heart center. Or feel free to reach your arms up overhead and relax your shoulders. Tuck your tailbone down and pull your core in towards your spine and keep pressing your right foot to the earth. And breathe. And remember, if you fall and come back up, the sooner you fall, the sooner you'll learn the lesson. So change the perspective about failure. Actually, that's not failure, as long as you learn the lesson, right? Okay, hands at your heart center into prayer, and then slowly release your left foot all the way back down to the earth. Nice. And now start shaking out your arms and legs, however your body wants to move. Okay, now spread your feet a little bit wider than hip distance apart, and then start swaying your body from side to side several times. Left and right to left. Stay connected with your feet to the earth. Okay, come back to center and bring your feet with the hip distance apart again. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead. As you exhale, interlace your fingers with your index fingers pointing up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lean over to your right and your mount. Inhale, come back through center. And then exhale, lean over to your left. Right foot grounded. And then inhale, come back to center. And now as you exhale, release your arms down by your side. And bring your hands at your heart center into prayer pose. And let's take a moment to close your eyes and start feeling your body, your breath, and your mind and your soul. And try to see as they are. Do not try to judge or do not try to criticize. Just try to accept the way they are. Let's become your own loving big mama to yourself. And I thank you so much for practicing yoga with me today, especially my yoga babies. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.